Depositing money into your Remitly account is straightforward and can be done using various payment methods, depending on your location and preferences. Here's how. Bank transfer. Link your bank account to Remitly and initiate a transfer. This method is often available for users in the United States and the United Kingdom. Debit or credit card. Add your Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card details to your Remitly account. This is a quick option, but be aware of potential fees and limits associated with card payments. Apple Pay. If you're in the US, you can use Apple Pay to fund your transfer. This option is available through the Remitly app. Rewire Salary Card. If you're a migrant worker in Israel, you can use the Rewire Salary Card, which is connected to your Bank of Jerusalem account and your Remitly account. Sign up or log in. Create an account on the Remitly website or through their mobile app available on the App Store or Google Play. Enter transfer details. Select the recipient's country, the amount you wish to send, and the delivery method. Choose payment method. Select your preferred payment method from the options listed above. Confirm and send. Review all details, confirm the transaction, and send the money.